Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing? Beautiful people. Yeah, I know I look lovely this morning. Okay, so I'm super excited to be on my way to Johannesburg. I'm going to attend a workshop, but I obviously the explorer in me couldn't help but, you know, spend a few days exploring Joburg. So I already booked a Soweto tour. I'm seeing if I'll have the time to do a Johannesburg city tour, because it doesn't make sense to visit Johannesburg without doing a city tour. I don't think so. And yeah, I also want to visit the Water Sisulu Botanical Garden and maybe one of the seven wonders. Yo. I don't know. I have like 3 days. Three? No, actually 2 days to pull this off. So wish me luck. Hey guys, so I know I look I still look good, but not glowy or anything. So we just got through with the workshop for today. It was really inspiring, fun, innovative, and just nice. But we just checked into our hotel and I decided to give you a room tour. And I'm in the bathroom because I'm trying to make this shot cinematic instead of just turning it like this and saying, hey guys. Which I think this looks nicer, but I don't know. But yeah, this is the view. The bathroom is nice. I like the design. Oh, look at this bed. It looks so comfy. Oh, I get my own room. Nice. Feels so comfortable. The weather though is rainy. That's why I couldn't record when I got here or just the rest of the streets. Yeah. It was bad. And even now, I think I really like the view out here, but it's so beautiful. But I am angry that I cannot open this sliding window. This glass is giving me headache. I don't know. Okay. So I know I just do this. Wait, what is it? I was just doing this. Guys, trust me, I was able to do this. Oh, it's this one. Okay, so what you do is carry it up, and then you can slide, but only this far. Like, I hate that it is this way. I have tried all the strength I have and it's not budging. I don't want to spoil anything. This place looks really expensive. So I don't want to mess up anything, so I'm just gonna try to slide my camera. Oh, okay. I tried with my phone and I couldn't get in. There you go. It's working, guys. This is why I love me some good. So in my classes, I have been hearing about Sun City. It's in Joburg, which I didn't know, by the way, until the Uber driver told me this morning when I brought it up. And then he was like, oh, it's in Johannesburg. Now I'm like, what am I doing with my life if I'm not visiting Sun City? Guys, I'm just being dramatic. But I want to visit. I have already booked a Soweto tour. It is a must. I have heard a lot about Soweto. I have to visit. And then I want to book a Johannesburg tour as well, but I'm looking at the weather. The Soweto tour is on Sunday. Let me see how that goes because I don't live in Joburg. I have a class next week, so I cannot stay here for long. But yeah, obviously, whatever happens, you'll be updated. So see you later. So the snacks and food at this workshop, so legit as always. And I am just really missing pepper and palm butter, but and I think I brought my whole skincare product to this area, but I'm super excited I was able to take you along. Now I'm on my way to explore Sandton with my friends, and you're going to see that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Bye bye.